How to apply credit card online on Lloyds Bank. So if you want to apply your credit card online on Lloyds Bank, all you have to do is simply open up your browser. Once you open your browser, you want to simply visit lloydsbank.com, and then you will see this type of interface. From here, you want to simply go to the menu tab and then simply go to this option called borrowing. And under borrowing, you'll find an option that says credit card. So from there, you simply want to check the credit cards option. And once you go to the credit card option, over here you will see a couple of options here. It will ask you to check your eligibility. So obviously you want to go and select check your eligibility option here. And as soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see all of the needs that requires you to check your and apply for credit card. So you can scroll down and click on the check now button. It will ask you a simple sort of questions which you have to fill out according to your details. And once you complete this, you would have begun your application process of credit card for Lloyds Bank. This way you'll be able to apply for Lloyds Bank credit card. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.